Jain students, welcome to the physics class. I hope all of you are fine at your home. Last time we were discussing about the concept of the mass and weight. What are the differences between the mass and the weight? Today we are going to do some problems on the concept of the mass and weight. And these questions are important and easy also. But the most of the students, they used to commit the mistake instead of knowing the concept. They know the concept, still they commit the mistakes. So let me check it out. But before going to the problems, I will do just one topic, that is the comparison of weight of an object on moon and on earth. So this is the last topic which is left. So comparison. All of you take out your notebooks and start making notes. Comparison of weight of an object on moon. Comparison of weight of an object on moon and earth. Let us say there is an object. This is the moon. Its mass is m1 and its radius is r1. And there is an object whose mass is m. There is an object whose mass is m. Now my question is, what is the weight of object on moon? Weight of object on moon. Let us say this is W1. W1 is equal to mg1. What is g1? G1 is acceleration due to gravity on moon. You should remember this formula. Small g is gm by r square. What is the m? M is the mass of planet, r is the radius of planet. If I am talking about the moon, then what will be this m? M will be the mass of moon. And what is r? R is the radius of moon. So I can say that it will be equal to m. Okay, that's sufficient. Let me do it in an easy way. If I say, now what is the weight of an object on earth? Formula for weight is mg. Now let me consider earth. Let us say we are having earth. The radius of earth is r. R2, mass is m2, and this is the object m. Same object is placed on the earth now, and let us say g2 is the acceleration due to gravity. What do you say? Now I have to compare their weights. So what is the best way of comparing? The best way of the comparing is to divide them. So let us divide them. So on dividing, W1 over W2, it is equal to mg1 divided by mg2. mg1 divided by mg2. Now this m, it gets cancelled. So this is equal to g1 divided by g2. And what is the formula of the acceleration due to gravity? Gm by r square. And for moon it will be gm1 upon में r1 square divided by g m2 upon में r2 square. Right? So what will happen? This g, it is also cancelled up. So this is m1 r1 square divided by m2 upon r2 square. And you know that when we are in division, what we do? We take its reciprocal, it is r2 square by m2. Now, you have done, what is the mass of moon? You know that it is 7.4 10 to the power 22 kilogram. And what is the mass of earth? 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram. And radius of earth, all of you know that it is 6400 kilometer. And radius of moon is 1740 kilometer. So here R1 is 1740 kilometer. So can we convert it into meter? 1.74 10 to the power 6 meter. And radius of earth is 6400 kilometer. You can say 6.4 10 to the power 6 meter. So when you put up the values, m1 is 7.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 22. R1 is 1.74 10 to the power 6 whole square multiplied by R2. R2 is 6.4 10 to the power 6 square, and M2 is 6 into 10 to the power 24. If you solve this, how much will it come? It will come of the order of 1/6. So what can I say? I can say that weight of the moon divided weight of an object on moon divided by weight of an object on earth is, their ratio is 1/6. For example, if I say weight of an object on earth is 60 Newton, what is its weight? Its weight will be 10 Newton. So this is how you can prove that the weight of a person or a weight of an object on moon to the weight of object on earth is 1/6. Now let us do questions which are based on this. You will say that these questions are easy, but marks you won't get because of some conceptual. Now first of all, let me tell you about question. Weight of an object on moon is 60 Newton. Find its weight on earth. You will say question is simple, we can find the answer. Okay, you will be able to find the answer. W1 is here 60 Newton. W1 means weight of an object on moon. And W2 I have to calculate, and I know that W1 by W2 is 1/6. So here W1 is 60 W2 I have to calculate, so I can say W2 will be 360 Newton. Right? Another question is that if mass of an object on moon is 6 kilogram, find its mass on earth. So my answer is, so what is this? What will be the answer? Can you tell me? Its answer is that mass of an object will be 6 kilogram on earth, because mass is a constant quantity. It does not depend on acceleration due to gravity. Next is question number 3. Mass of an object is 100 kilogram. Find its weight at Earth's center. So can you tell me the answer? How much will be its weight at Earth's center? Solution is mass is 100 kilogram and weight I have to calculate, and I know that weight is mg. Now what is g at Earth's center? 0. Because at the center of Earth acceleration due to gravity is 0. So its weight is 0. So what does it mean? It means that it will feel weightless. Question number 4. Again same. Mass of an object is 100 kilogram. Mass of an object is 100 kilogram. On moon, find its mass at Earth's center. Find its mass at Earth's center. What is the solution? Solution is that mass, it will be 100 kilogram, because mass does not depend on acceleration due to gravity. Whether at the center of Earth, whether on the moon, on any star, the mass, it will remain as the 100 kilogram. Okay, let me tell you now a typical sum. Some level of difficulty. Let's move to the question number 5. Now, in question number 5, the weight of object on moon is 60 Newton. Find its mass at Earth's surface. Solution is, weight of an object at moon is 60 kilograms. Let us say 60 Newton. A question is, this is the weight of an object on moon. Let us say 60 Newton. What is its weight on Earth? 6 times 6 multiplied with 60, it is 360 Newton. And what is acceleration due to gravity on Earth? It is 10 meter per second square. So W2 is mg2 and this is 360, and how much is the m? M is, I have to calculate, and this is 10. So my answer is 36 kilogram. So in this way you can solve the questions. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.